Split an Excel sheet into multiple sheets based on column value. Want to split Excel data into multiple worksheets based on values in one column? This video shows 2 ways to create and name the separate worksheets automatically. In this example, the department column contains 3 values: sales, finance, and support. The goal is to create one worksheet for each unique value in the department column. Method 1. Use VBA. Press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic Editor. Click Insert, select Module, and paste the following VBA code. Go back to the Excel workbook. Press Alt plus F8 to run the macro. Select Split Sheet into multiple sheets, and click Run. Then select the complete data range. And choose Department as the column to split by. Excel automatically creates one worksheet for each value in the department column. Each new worksheet includes the header row and only the records belonging to that department. VBA can automate the entire process, but it requires code and may require you to enable macros in Excel. For an easier method without writing or running VBA, use Kutools for Excel. Method 2. Use Kutools for Excel. First, download and install Kutools for Excel, and then open the workbook containing the source data. Go to Kutools Plus and click Split Data. The entire data range is selected automatically. In the dialog, choose Specific Column, and then select the Department column. Select My Data has headers, and specify one header row. Choose Values of Column so the department values are used as worksheet names. Optionally, add a prefix or suffix to the worksheet names. You can create the worksheets in the current workbook or place them in a new workbook. Click OK to start splitting the data. Kutools immediately creates and names one worksheet for each value in the selected column. Each worksheet contains the header row and the records for its corresponding value. Both methods split the source data into separate worksheets based on the values in the selected column. However, VBA requires code and macros. Kutools requires no code or formulas and completes the process in only a few clicks.